Beat it and never come back. All right, bud, time's up.
My thoughts exactly.
What are you doing here?
Looking for answers.
What are you doing here? Who's Bud, your trainer? You dress you up in this?
I know this looks suspicious. Funnily enough, oh, you're right. I'm through with the lies. I've been making outfits. So, you got me. It's time everybody knew. Just take me back. Ow! Ow! Why would you do that?
That's for the lies. And that's for everything else.
Oh, no.
Run! Run!
No! Toothless, no! Stop! It's okay. She's a friend. She's a friend. Toothless? Astrid, Toothless. The Night Fury.
I wouldn't.
We're dead. Hey! Where do you think you're going?